What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. All right, so the official iOS 14 release is here. No more betas. This is the real thing. So I'm going to be going over some of the best features on it if you haven't had a chance to use it yet. Before we get into this, I want to recommend everybody check out the Ignition Poker app. Now, this is an amazing place to play poker games straight from your phone. I myself have been a member now for the last 3+ years, and I play here on a daily and weekly basis. So I'll have some sign-up links in both the description and comments if you want to check them out. So I've got a few different iPhones here with the iOS 14 update. We've got the iPhone 7, the SE2, and the iPhone 11. Now, one of the best features on iOS 14 is definitely the widgets option. So you can hold anywhere down on the home screen, anywhere blank, and then, you'd hit the little plus icon and you can now add these cool widgets. So each widget has a few different sizes. The clock one is very useful. I like that one a lot. Another one is the stack widget, where you can just stack, a bunch of widgets on top of each other. Found these two to be very useful. The battery one's cool as well, but you can kind of go through some of the other ones. There's a weather one. So the widgets, obviously an awesome feature on iOS 14. Then, of course, you've got app library. So I know most of us out there are pretty unorganized, pretty sloppy, but, the cool thing is, automatically apps are going to be set into different categories for you, whether it's like finance app, game apps, entertainment apps, productivity apps. So everything's kind of just set up for you nicely there, and you have to do anything. Okay, another really cool feature is going to be picture-in-picture. Now, this doesn't work with everything, but it does work with a lot of different things. I'm going to use Disney Plus here as an example. I'll load up something. So we have this Mandalorian trailer, but let's check this out. So now, like when you're watching video, you can minimize it, and it's going to stick with you. So let's check it out. All right, cool. So now it's going to play video, and you can, actually watch video as you're doing other things with this picture-in-picture option. It's pretty freaking sweet. I think that was really long overdue. I mean, we've seen that on, Samsung, Android phones for quite a while now. So it's nice to see that picture-in-picture option. You can also just kind of like move the screen over, and then obviously you can close it out. Okay, probably one of the other features that, might not be the best or the coolest thing for everybody, but I like it. There's this wallpaper option now. So they have these still wallpapers that you can actually switch from night to dark mode, and it changes. I think this is pretty cool. It's something they released on one of the later betas, like beta 7, I think it was. But you notice it was two-tone in the settings. But when I go to, switch to dark mode, I'm in light mode right now. So let me do that real quick. All right, so when you go to dark mode, it changes up the wallpaper based on the still option I chose. I think this is pretty cool. I mean, it was kind of subtle, and it came on, one of the later betas, but at the same time, I think it's pretty sweet. Okay, and then the last feature that I do want to point out, you've got some of those Memoji options on here that have been added. So some new stuff there. But, iOS 14, it's officially here. No more betas. We went through 8 beta versions to get here. So it's been a long crawl up the ladder. All right. Last but not least here, we also had an update recently on PUBG. And, I love playing PUBG on the channel. So I'm going to do some gameplay on PUBG here on this update on the iPhone 11. If you guys could smash the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let's get into some of this gameplay.